How to download and install Sonic Rumble on mobile. First of all, open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen and in the search bar at the top, type Sonic Rumble. Wait for the official game by SEGA Corporation to appear in the results. Make sure you select the original one with the blue Sonic logo to avoid fake versions. Next, tap on the install button and let the download process begin. The game size is quite large, so ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection. Once the download and installation are complete, tap play to launch the game. When you open Sonic Rumble for the first time, it may need to download additional files or updates. Let this process finish, then follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and complete the setup. After the setup is complete, you can either create a new account or link your account. Then you can customize your character, choose your skills and jump into exciting online matches with players from around the world. Get ready for fast-paced races and thrilling challenges in Sonic's newest adventure. Now you know how to download and install Sonic Rumble on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.